The entrepreneurs winning right now all have one thing in common. They use these 7 AI tools every single day, and their competitors have no idea. Think about what your typical entrepreneurial work week looks like right now. You are spending hours writing content that an AI could produce in 2 minutes. You are manually researching competitors and market trends when an AI could surface the most relevant intelligence in 30 seconds. You are creating graphics, editing videos, and building marketing materials from scratch when AI tools exist that do all of it faster and better than any human creative team you could hire. And while you are buried in all of that manual work, the entrepreneurs who figured out the AI advantage months ago are producing 10 times more content, reaching 10 times more people, and generating income at a pace that feels completely unfair from the outside. It is not unfair. It is a tool advantage. And today, you are getting it. This video is for entrepreneurs who are serious about building a competitive advantage using AI. Whether you are running a solo business, a growing startup, or a content-driven income channel. By the end of this video, you will know the exact 7 AI tools that the most productive and profitable entrepreneurs are using every single day in 2026. With exactly what each tool does, why you specifically need it, and how much time it saves you every week. One thing before we start. Stay with me until tool number 6. It is the most underrated tool on this entire list, and the one that creates the single biggest competitive advantage for entrepreneurs who use it daily. Most people have either never heard of it or are using a much worse alternative that costs 10 times more. Do not skip ahead. Let's get into your entrepreneurial AI stack. Tool number 1, Claude. Claude is an AI thinking partner that writes, analyzes, strategizes, and problem solves at a level that matches or exceeds most human professionals across virtually every business function. Here is why every entrepreneur specifically needs this tool. Running a business requires constant, high-quality thinking across multiple domains simultaneously. Marketing strategy, content creation, customer communication, financial analysis, product development. Hiring specialists for each domain costs thousands of dollars per month. Claude covers all of them for $20 per month and is available at 3 in the morning when a business problem does not care what time it is. Time saved per week: 8 to 12 hours of writing, research, and strategic thinking. Cost: $20 per month for the Pro plan. Entrepreneur use case. A solo e-commerce entrepreneur uses Claude to write all product descriptions, email campaigns, customer service responses, and monthly business strategy reviews. Tasks that previously consumed 15 hours per week now take 3. The 12 hours saved are reinvested into product development and customer acquisition, which grew revenue by 40% in 90 days. Tool number 2, ElevenLabs. ElevenLabs is an AI voice generation platform that converts written text into professional broadcast quality audio in under 2 minutes. Here is why every entrepreneur specifically needs this tool. Audio content: YouTube videos, podcasts, course lessons, promotional videos is one of the highest converting content formats available to entrepreneurs. But most entrepreneurs avoid it because recording, editing, and producing professional audio requires equipment, technical skills, and significant time. ElevenLabs eliminates every single one of those barriers. You write the script, and ElevenLabs produces the finished audio. Time saved per week: 3 to 6 hours of recording, retaking, and audio editing per piece of content. Cost: $22 per month for the starter plan. Entrepreneur use case: a business coach uses ElevenLabs to produce a weekly podcast episode from a written outline without recording a single word. The podcast generates 200 new email subscribers per month from podcast platforms alone. The coach previously avoided podcasting entirely because of the production complexity. ElevenLabs made it a 20-minute weekly task. Tool number 3: Midjourney. Midjourney is an AI image generation platform that creates stunning professional quality visuals from a text description in under 60 seconds. Here is why every entrepreneur specifically needs this tool. Visual content drives more engagement, more clicks, and more conversions than any other content format across every platform. But professional visual content traditionally required either a design budget of thousands of dollars per month or significant personal design skills. Midjourney gives every entrepreneur access to world-class visual content at $10 per month, with no design experience required. Time saved per week: 3 to 5 hours of design work or briefing and managing a designer. Cost: $10 per month for the basic plan. Entrepreneur use case: a digital marketing consultant uses Midjourney to produce all client presentation visuals, social media graphics, and proposal imagery in-house. The agency previously spent $800 per month on a freelance designer. Switching to Midjourney reduced that cost to $10 per month while actually increasing the visual quality and turnaround speed of client deliverables. Tool number 4: Make.com. Make.com is a no-code automation platform that connects every tool in your business together and creates workflows that trigger automatic actions across multiple platforms simultaneously. Here is why every entrepreneur specifically needs this tool. The average entrepreneur uses between 8 and 15 different software tools in their business. None of them talk to each other natively. Every time data or an action needs to move between tools, someone has to do it manually. Make.com eliminates every one of those manual transfer tasks by creating automated workflows that fire instantly whenever a trigger condition is met. Time saved per week: 5 to 10 hours of manual data entry and cross-platform information transfer. Cost: $9 per month for the core plan. Entrepreneur use case: an online course creator connects their entire business through Make.com so that every new course enrollment simultaneously adds the student to their kit email list, sends a personalized welcome message through ManyChat, creates a progress tracking record in their analytics dashboard, and sends the entrepreneur a Slack notification. 4 manual tasks eliminated from every single enrollment automatically. Before we get to Tool 5, I want to flag something important. Tool number 6 is coming up, and it is the one that gives the biggest daily competitive advantage of anything on this list. Most entrepreneurs are using a much slower and more expensive alternative right now without realizing a better tool exists. Stay with me. Tool number 5: Kit. Kit is an email marketing platform that automatically sends pre-written emails to every subscriber on a schedule you configure once and never manage again. Here is why every entrepreneur specifically needs this tool. Your email list is the only audience asset that cannot be taken from you by a platform algorithm change, an account suspension, or a social media policy update. Every follower on every social platform is rented. Every email subscriber is owned. Kit automates the entire process of building, nurturing, and monetizing that owned audience without requiring your daily attention. Time saved per week: 4 to 6 hours of manual email writing, sending, and list management. Cost: free up to 10,000 subscribers. Paid plans start at $39 per month. Entrepreneur use case: a freelance web developer builds an email list of 600 subscribers over 4 months using a free website audit template as a lead magnet. Kit automatically sends a 10 email nurture sequence to every new subscriber that educates them about web development best practices and introduces a website audit service at the end. The automated sequence generates 4 to 6 new client inquiries per month from subscribers who opted in weeks or months earlier, completely passively. Tool number 6: Perplexity AI. Here it is, the most underrated tool on this entire list. Perplexity AI is a real-time AI research engine that searches the live internet, synthesizes information from multiple sources simultaneously, and delivers cited research summaries in under 30 seconds. Here is why this is the biggest competitive advantage tool for entrepreneurs who use it daily. Most entrepreneurs make business decisions based on outdated information: blog posts from 2 years ago, market research from last quarter, competitor analysis they did 6 months back. Perplexity AI delivers current intelligence from today's internet in the time it takes to type a question. Competitor pricing changes, industry trend shifts, new tool launches, regulatory updates. Perplexity surfaces all of it instantly with citations so you can verify every source. The competitive advantage this creates is subtle but compounding. Entrepreneurs who make decisions based on current intelligence consistently outmaneuver entrepreneurs making decisions based on stale data. Over 12 months, that compounding intelligence advantage translates into significantly better product decisions, marketing decisions, and strategic decisions. Time saved per week: 3 to 5 hours of manual research across multiple sources and platforms. Cost: free plan available. Pro plan at $20 per month for unlimited searches and advanced features. Entrepreneur use case: a SaaS founder uses Perplexity AI every morning to research competitor product updates, industry news, and customer sentiment trends in under 15 minutes. The research that previously required 2 hours of manual searching across Reddit, Twitter, news sites, and competitor blogs now happens in one Perplexity session. The founder identified a competitor pricing change within hours of it happening and adjusted their own pricing strategy the same day. A response speed that was impossible with manual research. Tool number 7: Descript. Descript is an AI-powered video and audio editing platform that lets you edit video and podcast content by editing a text transcript rather than a traditional timeline. Here is why every entrepreneur specifically needs this tool. Video content is the highest converting marketing format available to entrepreneurs right now. But most entrepreneurs avoid producing video because traditional editing requires technical skills and significant time investment. Descript removes both barriers completely. You import your video or audio, Descript transcribes it automatically, and you edit by deleting words from the text. The corresponding media disappears instantly. Time saved per week: 3 to 6 hours of traditional video or podcast editing per piece of content. Cost: free plan available. Paid plans start at $24 per month. Entrepreneur use case: a business consultant starts a weekly YouTube channel using Descript to edit all videos. The consultant records raw, unedited videos and edits out all filler words, pauses, and mistakes in 20 minutes by editing the transcript. The channel reaches 5,000 subscribers in 4 months and generates 12 new consulting clients from YouTube discovery. Clients who found the consultant specifically because of the consistent video presence that Descript made possible without a video production background. Let's bring this together. If you are an entrepreneur and you could only start with 3 tools from this list today, the answer is straightforward. Start with Claude because it immediately multiplies the quality and quantity of your thinking and output across every business function simultaneously. Add make.com because connecting your existing tools and eliminating manual data transfer gives you back hours every week from day one. Add Perplexity AI because making decisions based on current intelligence is one of the most underrated competitive advantages available to any entrepreneur right now, and it costs nothing to start. Those 3 tools, used consistently every single day, will create a measurable competitive advantage within 30 days of adoption. If this video gave you a clearer picture of the AI tool stack that is powering the most productive entrepreneurs in 2026, hit the like button and subscribe for new videos every week. Grab the free AI tools cheat sheet in the description. It lists every tool from this video with direct links, current pricing, and affiliate program details all in one place. Next video, we are breaking down the best no-code automation tools for entrepreneurs in 2026. The exact tools that let you build sophisticated business systems with zero technical background. You will not want to miss it. See you there.